Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick way, not only quick, but a more affordable way that you can jazz up your backdrops with some sparkly fabric that's not going to kill the bank, right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which company to go to where you can purchase this fabric so you can really wow your guests with creating your own premium backdrops, right? Hey guys, I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach event professionals how to really attract higher paying clients so they can make more money doing what they love with premium draping. If you are new to the channel, comment below and let me know where you're from and exactly what do you do. If it's something specific you would like to see me do a video on, just let me know below and I'll be sure to get it on the schedule. If you find this video helpful, you need to check out the video over here where you can learn exactly where you can get this kit from so you can not only have amazing fabric, but now you have a solid foundation. So now let's get into the video. So now we are going to begin to drape our backdrop, and we're going to be using some crushed taffeta along with this amazing glittery fabric that comes from Shop Wild Things. So I'm going to be using a lavender and pairing it with this. It's like a purple, deep purple, close to magenta, but it's really beautiful. And since we are actually going to try and bring the focus to the middle of the backdrop, we're going to actually use these directly in the middle. Now, the main thing you want to be mindful of is these panels are really thin, meaning they are see-through. So in order for you to get a really good crisp color, you want to really bunch them up close together so your color can pop. The crushed taffeta is an opaque blend, meaning you cannot see through it. And I'm actually going to use 2 panels and then a crushed taffeta on the end. Now once you have all of your fabric on your backdrop, now you just kind of want to evenly disperse everything out, make sure everything's even. Determine how much of your focal fabric you actually want to display. And leave that like that. Now I'm actually going to, in the front, use a stretch blend just to kind of give it some more texture, give it some more color, and really bring this center color out with another fabric. So we're going to do another layer with this one here. So from here, I'm going to attach another crossbar with crossbar hangers so I can create another layer. Now for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use a whole lot of fabric. However, if you're looking for a really full backdrop, you definitely want to use at least 6 panels on a 6-foot backdrop. Meaning if it's 6 feet wide, you want 1 panel per foot. Once you have all your fabric evenly dispersed, next thing you're going to do is actually raise your design and begin to create whatever kind of swags that you're going to create. On this design, we're actually just going to create 2 swags, 1 on each side. So now you're just going to create your 2 swags, attach it to the pole. You want to make sure any seams that you have that you're able to see with your fabric, that they're completely covered, or that the two blends are actually meeting, so you don't see the edge, the raw edge of the fabric. Give yourself a good puddle down the bottom. Now you're just going to attach some bling wraps and voila, you're done. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and now you know exactly where you can go to get some amazing bling fabric without hurting your pockets, right? We want to thank our friends over at Shop Wild Things for sponsoring this video. And if again you want to see something specific, tell me in the comments below. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and if you don't turn on your notification bell, guess what? You will not know when I'm uploading another video. So stay tuned. See you guys on the inside.